Stitch Crew, and welcome back to a new video. And today I am going to be showing you what I got from Michaels today. Yeah, and I got a new chair. It's really comfortable, trust me. And make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell button so you can get notifications to see all my newest videos. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I got is this Clouds slime. I already opened it. It is peach paradise flavored, and oh my god, I love it. I recommend it. It smells like peach, and then it came with this charm. This peach charm, hashtag high quality. No, but this is it. It's very stretchy. I'm gonna keep it in the bottle for now, but I will make another video for this. So yeah, that's the first thing. The second thing I got is okay, so I don't know where the charm is for this, so I'm gonna have to look for that in the bag real quick. But yeah, I got another cloud. There's only two. It was only this and this, so everybody's buying them, I guess. But it's coconut, and it smells like coconut. And the charm I got in this was a chocolate strawberry, just in case I can't find it. Oh, there it is. Okay. I think they're supposed to make it a coconut, but who knows. And I'll open it for you guys. It smells like coconut, and it smells so good. Here, I'll take a little out. And if you're wondering, you're like, oh, that's not slime, that's too like fluffy. You overactivated it. It's no slime. Come on, people. But yeah, it's cloud slime, so don't come at me for overactivating my slime, even though it's store-bought. So yeah, I love that. So I'm gonna put the charms away. And then the last thing I got was sticky tack here, and now you're probably like, what the heck do you need sticky tack for? I play with LPS. I know, don't come at me. I like LPS, don't judge me. And this is for their accessories, for them to stick on, like clothes and stuff like that. So yeah, and I might do future LPS videos, but I don't know, so don't expect it, but I might do it. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching, and have a stitch day. Bye!